Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the dropper tool in the Lightroom app to set the white balance. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery. From the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After selecting a picture and after it loads, we have to go into color from the bottom bar. We tap on color, and here at the top, as you can see, there is a little dropper tool above the temperature slider. We tap on the dropper tool, and if we move around this little circle, we can select a color in our image that is going to be the base of the white balance. So if we select a red, then the white balance is going to be shifted. But this is the most useful way to use this, is to have something that is truly white in the image, and then select that to be the base of the white balance that we are setting in this mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.